Okay, greetings everyone. It's been a while. Yes, I know it's been a while, but here we are. We're in the middle of summer here in Dubai. It is really, really hot. So as you can imagine, I haven't been training out in the garden, hence no videos. But anyway, we're back again. Today's just going to be a quick 10-minute burner. It'll take slightly longer than 10 minutes, but the whole idea is to do 10 rounds. So let me stop rambling. It's every 90 seconds for 10 rounds. We're going to use 2 kettlebells. I'm going to be using 2 20-kilogram kettlebells, and the moves are 5 kettlebell swings, double kettlebell swings, straight into 5 front squats with the kettlebells, and then 5 push presses. Okay, I'm going to try and do that as quickly as possible. Rest for the remainder of the 90 seconds. Once the buzzer goes, I do it again. That is basically it. So it's part of my quick sweat workout series, as you know. But anyway, let me stop rambling because it is getting really, really hot out here. As always, follow the channel and I'll see you guys on the other side.
A few moments later. 2,000 years later. So, you hear that? Workout complete. So, in true fashion, I like to do the outtake straight after the workout so that you can see now. That was really tasking. For some reason, the 20 kgs just felt heavier than normal. Probably because I haven't used them for a while. But yes, I enjoyed that workout. It was really spicy. 15 minutes, that's all. 15 minutes, that's, would that class as a HIIT workout? I don't know, I'll leave the others to decide. But anyway, try and do that in your own time. So as you can see, I did that for 10 rounds. You can make it more challenging. Rather than doing every 90 seconds, do every 60 seconds. And that will certainly jack your heart rate up. But anyway, I'm glad you enjoyed that. More to come. It's summertime, so all we are doing is quick workouts. Get in, get out, get done. All right, guys, subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.